Butter garlic mushroom. You will need 2 onions finely chopped, 200 grams mushroom cut into half, 4 tablespoon cream, 3 tablespoon butter, finely chopped garlics. Let's begin. Heat a pan in which add 2 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt. To this add finely chopped onion and saute for a while. Keep mixing in between to avoid burning. Let them caramelize for the sweet essence. Once done, set aside in a bowl. Now in the same pan, take some more butter, add the chopped garlic, add mushrooms and fry them till you get the essence of garlic. To this add cream and stir well. Let everything incorporate well and add 2 tablespoons of refined flour, which is Maida. Mix thoroughly. Make sure there are no lumps left from the Maida. We would want to have a thick consistency. Once everything is combined, add the caramelized onions to the mixture. To this add 1 tablespoon of paprika. Mix well. Let this simmer for some time, approximately 5 to 10 minutes, and your butter garlic mushrooms should be ready in no time. Enjoy!